How to remove your military unit from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. Now click these 3 points and then click edit profile. Then scroll down and click military service. And here we'll find here we'll find your military unit. Click this pin and top corner and then click this X here, and now just go back. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.